Hello students, in this video we are going to see another problem from residential status. Let us read the problem. Mr. Sailesh, a German, came to India for the first time on 10/1/2017 and left to Australia on 15/9/2017. He again came to India on 1/5/2019 to leave for Singapore on 15/7/2019. Determine the residential status. So we have to find the number of days stayed in India during the current previous year. What is the current previous year? April 1st, 2019 to March 31st, 2020. So within this period, how many days Mr. Sailesh stayed in India? See your problem. He stayed in India from 1/5/2019 to 15/7/2019. On 15/7/2019, he left India and gone to Singapore. Okay. So the day when he left India, that also should be considered to calculate the total number of stayed in India. Okay. So here he resided. He was in India from 1/5/2019 to 15/7/2019. That is 5th month to 7th month. Okay. 15 days in 7th month. See, April 1, 2019. Did he stay in India? No. So that's why I have written 0 here. And in the month of May, the whole month he stayed in India. See here, on 1/5/2019, he was in India. So that's why I have written 31 days, the whole month. And in the month of June, he was in India. And in the month of July, up to 15 days he was in India. On 15th he left India, okay, and gone to Singapore. So the day when he left India should also be taken as the day he was resided in India, okay. Then in the month of August, already I have told he gone to Singapore on 15/7/2019. So August 0, September 0, October 0. So up to March he was not in India. So the total number of days he stayed in India was only 76 days in the previous year. So the total number of days he stayed in India during the previous year, that is the current previous year, okay, during the current previous year was only 76 days. So let us check the basic condition. First basic condition is 182 days. So he is not eligible to check that condition. Come to the second condition. What is the second basic condition? A stay of at least 60 days or more during the current previous year plus 365 days stay in the 4 previous year which are immediately preceding the current previous year. So what is the 4 previous year immediately preceding the current previous year? 15 to 16, 16 to 17, 17 to 18, 18 to 19. So within this 4 years, during this 4 previous year, the total number of stayed in India. See, in this problem, he came to India for first time on 10/1/2017 and went to Australia on 15/9/2017. So in this 4 previous years he resided only within this duration, okay. So see here, 10/1/2017 to 15/9/2017. So by counting the days he resided in India, we will get 248 days, which is less than 365 days, okay, 365 days. So in order to satisfy the second basic condition, he should stay at least 60 days or more in India plus 365 days during the 4 previous years which are immediately preceding the current previous year. but he could not satisfy the second basic condition. So what is the result? He is non-resident of India. He is non-resident. So this is the answer. Thank you.